In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up redirects in Ghost. Redirects.json. We'll walk through downloading your current redirects, editing them safely, and uploading the updated file back into Ghost. This is perfect for fixing broken links, preserving SEO when you change slugs, or sending visitors to a new location. Start by opening your browser and searching for Ghost CMS, or head straight to your site's admin area. Click through to your Ghost admin and log in. Once you're in, navigate to Settings, then open the Labs section. Labs includes developer-focused tools, and that's where the Redirect Manager lives. In the Redirects card, click Download Current Redirects. Ghost will save a redirects YAML file to your computer. Depending on your Ghost version, you may see a file named redirects.json instead. Either way, the process in this video is the same. Just work with the file Ghost gives you. Open the downloaded redirects YAML in a code editor. Any plain text editor works, but a code editor with YAML support will help you spot indentation issues. In this file, you'll add your redirect rules under either the 301 or 302 keys. Use 301 for permanent moves when you want search engines to update their index, and 302 for temporary changes when you plan to switch back later. YAML is sensitive to spaces. Use spaces for indentation, not tabs, and keep your formatting consistent. Each redirect is a separate entry in a list. For a permanent redirect from an old slug to a new slug, add a line under 301 that looks like this when spoken. Dash, space, from colon space, slash, old dash, post, dash, slug, slash, space, to colon space, slash, new dash post, dash, slug, slash. Keep the slashes on both ends of your slugs, so Ghost matches the paths correctly. You can also redirect to an external site. In that case, include the full URL with the protocol. For example, dash, space, from colon space, slash old dash, page, slash, space, to colon space, https www.example.com/new page. Using the full HTTPS URL ensures the redirect works reliably. When your edits are done, return to the Labs page in your Ghost admin. Click Upload Redirects YAML, then select the file you just saved. Ghost will validate and apply the rules immediately. Before testing, clear your browser cache so you don't see a cached version of the old page. You can also open a private or incognito window to avoid cached responses. Then visit your old URLs and confirm they land at the new destinations. If a rule doesn't work, recheck spacing and punctuation in the YAML, save and upload again. With that, your redirects are set and you're ready to keep visitors and search engines on the right path.